There are HDMI out, DCOM port, grounding post, power cable port. When connecting power cable, the flat side is down. Device basic structure: the power switch, USB ports, DVD driver are located on the left side of the machine. Turn on the power switch on the left of machine. Press on or off button on the operational panel. Enter the prop selection mode. According to the exam demands, to select the tab of examination, then press the Set button to enter the ultrasound scan state. On the top of the screen are date, time, hospital, and prop information. On the right side of the screen, it's the status of current parameters. They are dips, scan range, gain, frame frequency, and the below is biological effect index, MI and TI. The left side of the display is parameter adjustment bar. Select the parameters with up and down button. Adjust the parameter with left and right button. The following is the introduction of the specific parameters in two-dimensional mode. Sound power. Adjustment range from 0 to 15. The advised value is from 11 to 13. The biological index on the right side of the screen is changed when adjusting the sound power. Transmission frequency. The prop has a frequency conversion function, which can be adjusted to high or low according to the inspection object. Scanning density. There are 128 and 256 two levels. Adjust the line density can change the frame rate. Dynamic range from 0 to 270 dB. Recommended value of 200 or more. Smoothing from 0 to 7 according to the current organ image. Grayscale 0 to 7, mainly for two-dimensional gray contrast. THI with switch adjustment function, important for the image adjustment. Focus. Select from 1 to 4. Need to adjust the position by supporting of focus button. Scanning range. Adjust between 5% to 100%. Image angle changed in real time. Image optimization. Adjust between 1 to 6 levels. Suggest adjust the value higher than 5. Image enhancement between 0 to 7. Generally do not make adjustment. Grayscale curve between 1 to 16 level, mainly used for image grayscale adjustment. Horizontal adjustment. Image left and right mirrors. Vertical adjustment. The image up and down mirrors. The bottom of the display interface is the image and video storage display area. Use the trackball, seat, and exit keys to view, delete, and send images. Key operation. Adjust the 8-band gain on the upper right of the operation panel. Right is to increase the signal. Left is to decrease the signal. The gain adjusted according to the requirement. Knob B. It's the B mode option and gain adjustment. Left rotation is decrease gain. Right rotation is increase gain. Press down and return or enter with the B mode. Through the left area button on the keyboard area, plus adjustment knob to change the dips. Focus position to meet the current inspection requirements. During the scanning process, the parameters of the screen can be selected and adjusted by the up, down, left, and right buttons. The up and down are selected. Right and left are used to adjust the parameters. To enter the 2B mode, press 2B key to enter. Repeatedly press the left and the right to circle display. Enter the 4B mode. Press 4B key to enter the 4B mode. Press this key. Continuously, the 4-image display in circle. Doppler mode adjustment. Under blood flowing examination, press the C knob to enter color Doppler mode. Rotation C knob to adjust color Doppler gain. Right rotation is to increase. Left rotation is to decrease. Simple frame adjustment. Press Set button to change into dotted line. At this moment, move the trackball to change the size. Press Set again to change into solid line. Move the trackball to adjust the position. The blood flow effect is adjusted by the 5 buttons in middle of the panel. Use deflection angle button to adjust the deflection angle. Use blood speed button to adjust the blood speed. Use baseline button to adjust the color baseline. When just examine the blood flow without flow direction, to enter the energy Doppler state through the PDI button under the C mode. The same adjustment method with color Doppler. Pulsed wave Doppler. When examination of blood flow spectrum, press the PW knob to enter the pulsed wave Doppler state. At this moment, the simple volume appears in the image area. Rotate the simple volume button to adjust the size. Generally, the size is about 1/3 of the blood vessel's diameter. Rotate the simple angle button to adjust the size of the symbol angle. The angle value is about 60 degrees. Press the Update key under the spectrum state. Appear spectrogram. At the same time, select with up and down button. adjust the parameters with left and right buttons to adjust the corresponding PRF, baseline, and so on to get a better spectrogram display. Image save. The device supports static and dynamic storage. Static storage. Press the Save button to save the image you need. The image is stored in the bottom of the screen directly, available for freeze and real-time status. Dynamic storage. Get a satisfied image. Press Freeze button. Show the current number of the video frames in the bottom of the screen. Press the Cine button to save the video image. After playing, to show below of the bottom in the screen. Basic settings. Press Freeze button. Press Setup button to display the setting interface, to set the system language, date, time, hospital name, database, storage format, storage path, report format, and so on. Among them, need to restart to change the system language successfully. Other operations. Arrow. Press the arrow to display the arrow. Move the trackball to change the position of the arrow. Puncture guideline. Press the puncture button on the operation panel to get the puncture guideline on the screen. To move the position of the guideline horizontally by moving the trackball. Press Adjust button to adjust the left and right angles. Press Set button to confirm the position. Other operations. Deflection angle. Deflect angle of the simple frame on the color Doppler mode. Zoom. Press the Zoom button on the control panel to get the simple box. Move the position by the trackball. Dynamic range. The dynamic range is displayed on the left parameters. All of the above 5 operations are adjusted by the Adjust button. Pseudo color. Press this button to change the color of the image. Spatial, Panel, Trip. These 3 buttons are available for later upgrades. New case. Register new checked patient information. Body mark. Press the body mark button on the operation panel to open the body mark library. Through the trackball and side button to select. Then the body mark will show in the lower right of the image. Full screen comment. Press the comment button on the operation panel to display the text editing box in the cursor display position to edit text. If you want to change the input method, press the Ctrl plus Space key to switch the current input method. Some input methods need to be installed in advance. Available to edit via the small keyboard on operational panel. Harmonic imaging. The second harmonic will be shown the on and off status on the left side of the screen. Preset management. This button is used to save a good parameter for different inspection parts. Measurement demonstration. Freeze image. Distance measurement. Press the Calip button. It appears the measurement cursor. Move the cursor to the 0 position and press Set button. It appears another cursor. Move the trackball to the end and press the Set button. The measuring result will be shown on the right side of the screen. Press Clear button to delete the measurement result. The perimeter measurement. Press Trace button. It appears the measurement cursor. Move the cursor to the 0 position and press Side button. Move the trackball at a constant speed to form the measurement track. After the end of the measurement, the result will appear in the bottom right of the screen. Obstetrics table measurement. Press Calculation button. It appears the measurement menu at the right side of the screen. Move the cursor to choose Early Obstetric or Terminal Obstetric. It will appear BPD, HC, AC, and so on. Choose the one, then the cursor will appear in the measurement area. BPD as an example. Move the cursor to the 0 position and press Set button. It appears another cursor. Move the trackball to the end and press the Set button. The measuring result will be shown on the right side of the screen. BPD, CRL, GS, FL are all use the distance measurement. HC and AC are all use the perimeter area measurement. Press the Exact button to exact. Click Report button. Next page. Menu input LMP under the obstetric report. Attention! Please clean the surface of the machine with dry cloth regularly. Please clean the surface of the probe with soft or paper regularly. It is strictly prohibited to use the machine in damp environment. Please do not use the machine where there is lot of dust or PM. It is forbidden to use hard objects to hit the probe. Restart the machine should wait more than 2 minutes after shutdown.